Hello, Anyan.
Hello, teacher.
Why are you late?
Yeah,
You forgot our time?
yeah.
Okay, it's all right. Because teacher was a bit late also. Because I'm fixing my computer.
Yeah.
All right, so how are you tonight, Anyan?
Yeah.
How are you, Anyan?
Good.
All right. Is it cold tonight in Vietnam?
Yeah.
Why? Because all my students are wearing their jacket. Why? Why are you wearing jacket?
Because it's very cold.
Why is it winter now in Vietnam?
Yeah.
Oh, really? So the winter started very early in this year,
Yeah.
right? Because I know the winter in Vietnam starts in November.
Yeah.
Anyway, where are you, Anien? Are you in your bedroom?
No. Yeah.
Oh, you're in your bedroom?
Yeah.
All right. Because um it's just now that you opened your light in your room because it's always closed and it's always dark. That's why I'm not familiar with your place. Okay. So anyway,
Yeah.
Anya, have you eaten your dinner or your supper now?
Yeah.
What did you eat for tonight? What's your food?
It, it pop.
What's that?
It pop.
What is that? I don't know that food. Is that a Vietnamese food?
Yeah.
Ah,
No.
it's pork.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Can you say pork, Anian?
Pork.
Alright. Sorry because teacher was not able to understand earlier, okay? So it's
Yeah.
pork. Okay. Next time you practice speaking clearly, okay?
Yeah.
And don't be shy. I don't want a shy girl, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so let's begin our lesson for tonight. Okay, so for tonight, Annie, we are going to have an activity, okay? So the first part is listening activity. So you have to listen and draw lines. There is one example. Okay, Annie, wait. Do you know how to draw a line on the screen? Do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now teacher will play the audio file and you have to listen and put a line on your correct answer. Okay, let's begin. Okay, wait a minute, Annie. It's not working here. Wait for me. Okay, one more time.
Part 1. Look at Part 1. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello. There are a lot of people here today.
Yes, there are. Can you see Mrs. Brown?
Yes,
Where is she?
she's riding her bicycle.
Oh, yes. She rides very quickly, doesn't she?
Can you see the line? This is an example. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
Where's Mrs. Green? Do you know her?
Yes, she's in front of the supermarket.
Oh, what's she wearing?
A red skirt and a red hat.
Oh, yes, I can see her now.
Two.
Where's Paul?
He's looking in the window of the toy shop with a friend.
But which one is Paul?
The boy who's carrying a school bag.
Oh, I see him.
Three.
I need to find Mr. Farmer. Can you see him?
Yes, I can.
Where is he?
He's there in his car.
Which car?
The small blue one.
Four.
Look at Tom. He's very tired today.
Where is he?
He's sitting outside the bank.
Well, he played a lot of tennis yesterday.
Yes, that's why he's sitting down now.
Five.
Is that Sue?
Where?
Walking with the two children.
Oh, yes, that's Sue. But who are the children?
I think they're her cousins.
Now listen to part one again.
Okay, were you able to answer all the questions?
1,
1, 2, 3. Okay, so now you are finished answering. Now let's check. Okay, lines should be drawn between number 1, Mrs. Green and the lady in front of the supermarket wearing a red skirt and a red hat. So this is Mrs. Green, not
Yeah.
Mrs. Okay. So next one, Paul and the boy looking in the toy shop window carrying a school bag. Okay, you're correct. That is Paul. Next one, Mr. Farmer and the man driving the small blue car. Okay, very good. That is Mr. Farmer. Next one, Tom and the boy sitting on the bench outside the bank. Okay, that is Tom. Last one, Sue and the girl with the two children. Okay, very good. So it means, Anyan, you just got one mistake. Okay,
Yeah.
very good, because you got 4 points in the first part.
part 1.
Okay, now Anyan. All right, let's have the second part. It says here, listen and write. There is one example. So again, Anyan, you're going to listen to an audio file and then you listen or you remember the details that you hear, okay? And then when you hear it, you have to type or write your answers at the blank, okay? All right, and then if you were not able to follow what is being played in the audio file, just inform teacher, okay?
Yeah.
So that I can repeat it one more time. Okay, let's begin,
Yeah.
Anyan.
Part 2. Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Tom. Can I ask you some questions?
All right.
What's your family name?
Hill.
Can you spell that?
H-I-L-L.
Thank you.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1,
And where do you live, Tom?
15 High Street.
Can you spell hi, please?
H-I-G-H.
All right, can you spell it? High Street. How do you spell high? It's H. What does it say? One more time.
1.
And where do you live, Tom?
15 High Street.
Can you spell high, please?
H-I-G-H.
Okay, so how do you spell that?
Yeah.
Can I see it? Do you know how to write your answers, Anyan? Okay, very good. Number 2.
2.
Now, how old are you, Tom?
10. It was my birthday last week.
You're very tall.
Yes, all my family are tall.
3.
Now,
Okay, next.
what's your father's name?
John, like my older brother.
So there are 2 Johns in the family.
Yes.
4.
And your mother's name?
It's Claire.
Okay, number 4.
Is that C-L-A-R-E?
That's right.
Okay, the name is Claire. So how do you spell Claire? Okay, next one.
5.
Now, what's the matter?
My neck hurts.
Is it very bad?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
All right, so what part of the body does it hurts? Did you listen or one more time?
Yeah.
5.
Now, what's the matter?
My neck hurts.
Is it very bad?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
Okay, so what part of the body hurts is the neck. Okay, can you spell neck, Anyan?
N-E-E-K.
Can you spell neck and write your answer?
N-E-E-K.
Okay, write it, Anyan, so the teacher can correct it if it's wrong. Okay, you must spell. Oh, wait, I will show you the correct spelling. All right, so let's check first. Number 1, lives at 15 High Street, correct? How old? It's 10. The father's name is John, okay? So it must be spelled as J-O-H-N. Next one, the mother's name is Claire, okay? You got the correct spelling. And last one, what hurts is the neck, okay? It must be N-E-C-K. All right. Anyway, Anyan, I will give these points to you, okay? Okay, so the next time, Anyan, focus on the spelling, okay?
Yeah.
And you tell teacher if you don't know how to spell the word. Okay, anyway, very good, Anyan, because you got 5 points.
Part
Next.
2.
Yeah.
All right, next one, Anyan, part 3. What did Jim do last week? Listen and draw a line from the date to the correct picture. There is one example. So look at the picture, Anyan. Now you can see the word Saturday, right? And then there is a line on a picture. So it means that is the activity that that Jim did last Saturday, okay?
Yeah.
All right, so now Anyan, teacher's going to play another audio file. So you have to listen and put a line on the day of the correct answer, okay? Can you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's begin.
Part 3. Look at the pictures. What did Jim do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Jim. What did you do last week?
Well, on Saturday when it rained, I helped Mum. We painted my bedroom.
Wow!
It looks great now, Aunt Lucy.
Can you see the line from the word Saturday? On Saturday, Jim painted his bedroom. Now you listen and draw lines. 1.
What did you do on Friday?
We went shopping. It rained that day.
That's right. Where did you go in the town?
Only to the supermarket to buy some food.
2.
What did you do on Wednesday?
Okay, were you able to follow? Okay, very good. Next one.
Yeah.
Supermarket to buy some food. Shopping. It rained that day.
Okay, let's wait.
That's right. Where did you go in the town?
Only to the supermarket to buy some food.
2.
What did you do on Wednesday?
We drove to a lake. I went with my friend and his parents.
Oh, what did you do there?
We had a picnic.
And did you swim there too?
Yes, but it was cold.
Okay, next one.
3.
I went in a boat on Thursday. No, sorry, it was Sunday.
Where?
At the beach. Dad and I went there in the morning.
Did you enjoy that?
Yes, but it was windy, so it was difficult.
4.
And what did you do on Tuesday?
Tuesday?
Yes. Did you go to the beach that day too?
No, I went to the new bookshop. The town was very busy.
Oh,
I wanted to get a present for Dad.
5.
what about Monday?
The weather wasn't good again that day. I went to my friend's flat.
What did you do?
We watched a DVD about someone who had a big sailing boat.
Did you enjoy it?
It was okay.
Now listen to part 3 again.
All right. So let us check your answers. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, don't erase your answers, okay? Don't erase. Okay, so number 1. Okay, Friday is correct. Number 2. Wednesday is correct. Number 3. Sunday is correct. Number 4. Okay, Tuesday is correct. And last one, number 5, Monday is correct. Wow, very good, Anyan. You got a perfect score again. Good job.
Part 3.
Okay, next one. Let's have the next part of the activity. It says here, listen and tick the box. There's one example. So again, Anyan, you have to listen to the audio file and then check, put a check on the box of the correct answer, okay? So let's begin.
Part 4. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which is Ben's brother's car?
My brother's got a new car.
Oh, which one is it, Ben? That small one?
No, it's a beautiful big one.
Is it blue?
No, his last car was blue. This one's red.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What sport does Ben's brother do?
What sport does your brother do, Ben?
He plays basketball every weekend.
Does he like swimming or tennis?
No, he doesn't.
2. Where does Ben's brother work?
Where does your brother work, Ben?
Here in the town.
Yes, but where? In a school?
No, he works in the zoo.
Where's that?
It's near the library.
Oh, yes.
Okay, let's check. So number 1, what sport does Ben's brother do? The answer is A, correct. Number 2, where does Ben's brother work? The answer is C, in the zoo. Okay, 2
Part
points.
4.
Okay, let's continue. Number 3.
3. How did Ben go to his grandparents' house?
Did you see your grandparents at the weekend, Ben?
Yes, we did. I was very happy.
Did you go by bus?
No, the bus is very slow. We flew there.
Oh, did you?
Yes, it's quicker than the train.
4. What can Ben give his sister for her birthday?
It's my sister's birthday on Saturday. What can I give her, Daisy?
Does she like dolls?
No, she doesn't.
What about a dress?
She never wears dresses. She likes playing football with me.
You can give her a ball then.
Oh, yes.
5. What's Ben's sister's favourite food?
Do you want to come to my sister's birthday party, Daisy?
Thanks. Have you got a birthday cake?
Yes, but my sister doesn't like cake.
What's her favourite food? Burgers?
She likes bananas best. She sometimes eats 10 every day.
All right, so what's your answer, number 5, Anyan? Okay. All right, so let's check. Number 3. How did Ben go to his grandparents' house? The answer is B, by airplane. All right, number 4. What can Ben give his sister for her birthday? The answer is C. Next one. What's Ben's sister's favorite food? The answer is a banana. Okay. So you got 4 points in this part, Annie. Now let's go here. All right, it says here, part 5. Listen and color and draw. There is one example. All right, so do you know how to color, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's start our activity for this part.
Part 5. Look at the picture. Listen and look. There is one example.
Can you see the sofa in the living room?
Yes, I can see it.
Well, colour it green.
OK,
Can you see the green sofa? This is an example. Now you listen and colour and draw. 1.
There's a chair in the bathroom. Can you see it?
Yes, I can.
I want you to colour it.
What colour?
Yellow.
OK, a yellow chair.
Two.
Now I want you.
Okay. Oh, Anian, you have to color it, okay? Okay, you finish coloring it first.
Yeah.
Okay, finish. Now let's go to number 2.
Good.
Yeah.
Can you draw a cat?
Yes. Where?
In the bedroom. Draw a big black cat sleeping on the bed.
Like my cat.
Yes. Oh, that's a beautiful cat.
All right, so now, Anian, you have to draw another black cat on the bed, okay? Okay, finish.
Yeah.
All right, next one.
Five.
Now I want you to colour one more thing.
Good. What shall I colour?
The mat, please.
Which one?
In the living room.
Can I colour it red?
Yes, that's a good colour for a mat.
Okay, color the mat in the living room red.
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
Now listen to part 5 again. 1.
There's a chair in the bathroom. Can you see it?
Okay, so now let us check your answers. Color the chair in the bathroom yellow. Okay, that's correct. Next one, draw a table in the bedroom between the bed. Okay, here. So you have to draw a table here. Okay, next one. Color the cupboards in the kitchen brown. All right, so this must be brown. Next one.
Yeah.
Wait. Draw a black cat sleeping on the bed in the bedroom. Okay, next one. Color the mat in the living room red. All right, so you got 3 points for this Part. All right. So, Anil, we're finished with the first part, okay? Now, wait for teacher. I will open one more activity, okay? Wait for me.
Yeah.
All right, so now, Anyan, in this part of our activity, it says here, part 1, look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. There's one example. Okay, so in this activity, Anyan, you are going to choose your answers from the pictures that you can see, okay? So there's an example. Example, you can drink tea in this. So the answer is a cup. Okay, so Anyan, can you read number 1 and answer it, please? Number 1.
Mm.
Okay, can you read it more, people?
The pupil live here than in a living.
Then in a village, what do you call that one?
Town.
What's your answer? Okay, very good. Town. Number 2.
People like camping there in the holidays. Mountain.
Okay, very good. Mountain. Next one, number 3.
You can buy lemon in this. Lemonade in this.
You can buy lemonade in this.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. The answer is a bottle. Number 4.
You can find animals like cow and sheep here. Yeah.
Okay, you find animals like cows and sheep here. The answer is farm. Correct. Number 5.
You need to go up to the second floor.
You need this to go up to the second floor.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Stairs. Last one, number 6.
Yeah.
The world. Okay, very good. The world is the correct answer. 6 points. Okay, next
Yeah.
one, Anyan. Part 2, look and read. Right, yes or no? Okay, so you don't have to write your answer now, Anyan, okay? Teacher will read the questions and you just answer yes or no. Okay, so now this is only an example. So example, Anyan, it's a sunny day. The answer is yes. Next one. A white cat is sitting on the wall. The answer is no. Okay, so question number 1, Anyan. The teacher is pointing at the dog.
No. Yeah.
Okay, yes. Number 2. A boy with the red trousers is riding a bicycle.
No.
No. One of the children has got a pet snake.
Yeah.
Yes. 3 boys are playing with a ball.
No.
No. The girl under the tree is eating.
Yeah. No.
Yes, no. Last one, the girl next to the wall is wearing a trousers. Next to the wall is
No.
wearing
Yeah.
trousers. Yes, very good. Because she's wearing a yellow trousers. All right, so now, Anyan, this one, part 3. Read the text and choose the best answer. Okay, example. Hello, Pat. Shall I carry your books? The answer is letter C. Yes, please. Okay, so now in this part, Anyan, teacher will read Bill, and you're going to answer Pat. Okay? Okay, so let's begin, Anyan. Number 1. Why didn't you come for table tennis yesterday? Oh, you read your answer, okay? What is that? Why didn't you come for table tennis yesterday?
But I had to go with my mother.
Okay, let's see. So the answer here is B. Because I was tired. Okay, anyway, let's have number 2. Do you want to come and see my new kite?
I want
What do you think is the answer?
I have got to go home.
I've got to go home. Okay, that's correct. Number 3. Can you come tomorrow then?
You can come.
I'll ask my mom. Okay, number 4. Have you got homework to do?
I do. Yes. I do.
Yes, a lot. Okay, number 4. 5. Why are you stopping here?
This is my house.
Okay, very good. This is my house. Here are your books then.
Oh yes, thanks.
Oh yes, thanks. Very good. So in this part, Anyan, you got 3 correct answers. All right, very good. All right, so Anyan, we're finished with our activities for tonight, okay?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're going to have our class again on Monday evening. So, see you again on Monday, Anyan.
Yeah.
All right, so good night now. Chukmungon.
Good night, teacher. Bye
Good
bye.
night. See you again.
See you again.